Did you know that we plants are the source of life? We breathe, grow, and feed all living things. Each part of our body has an important job. Roots, like my feet, are firmly planted in the ground, absorbing water and nutrients. There is a taproot that goes straight down, and fibrous roots that spread out. My trunk supports the green leaves. These leaves are our kitchen. That's where photosynthesis happens, the magical process of transforming sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide become food and oxygen. You know, the oxygen you breathe comes from us. We can also have beautiful flowers, which will become fruits containing seeds. These seeds will grow into new plants. So, we continue to procreate, ensuring that life goes on. Awesome, right? Let's take care of us.